Hi, I'm Tyler Miller, Director of MetroCloud and Programming Operations here at Metropolitan Industries. For nearly 70 years, we've been dedicated to supporting the water and wastewater industry, serving municipal, commercial, and residential customers nationwide. What began as a small pump sales and repair shop has grown into a trusted industry leader known for delivering innovative system solutions, engineered expertise, and dependable service. Today we continue that mission by designing and supporting technologies that help communities manage one of the world's most essential resources, water. We've worked with Trihedral for over 30 years, deploying standalone SCADA for clients all around the Chicago region since the days of web. When we wanted to launch a cloud-first offering, VTScada's legendary support made choosing them as our technology partner a no-brainer. VTScada is particularly suited to hosted systems because of how efficiently it scales from 100 to 1 million tags, which is exactly the scale we required. In 2014, we built out MetroCloud, a SCADA as a service offering hosted in AWS. We've deployed in over 7 states and over 1,000 monitored locations and hundreds of daily users. One of our more notable installations is the Hammond Water Distribution System. The Hammond Water Distribution Network monitors and controls water distribution to over 300,000 people across a multi-state geographic territory. Cloud hosting allowed us to deploy easily and coordinate data transfer seamlessly between partner municipalities, whom also partner with us for their SCADA service. As we look into the future, we look forward to continuing to advance the water and wastewater sector where security and innovation are going to be more important than ever before.